Welcome! If you want to transfer data from the Blackview A60 Pro to older Android smartphone, at the first you have to move for the Play Store, tap on the search pool and type here CLONEit. We are going to use this app to transfer the data. Do the same on the second smartphone. I just did it, and right now I can simply open this app on my private smartphone. Let's open it on the Blackview. And on both smartphones you will get notifications like that, so we have to accept all of them. Click right here, then tap Center on the Blackview. And Receiver on your Android phone, tap Set, turn on location, then just go back and click Receiver one more time. Then hit Search Again button. And click right here on the Android share. Then we can connect in the two ways. We can scan the code. We can also input the password manually, so we have to pick your way. I'm going to scan this code. Click right here to accept the request. And right now, if you want to send all of the data, you have to click on all of these icons and then just click Start. Here you get the size of the selected files and also the estimated time. You can also send some details, so I will show you how it looks. For example, for the photos, so I will send this one. So click Start, OK, and as you can see, the transfer is complete. So thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.